Okay girls, today I'm doing stem and leaf plots, right? Okay, so I know you've done them in first year, so it's just revision. Okay, a stem and leaf plot is similar to a horizontal bar chart. So it's like, here's the bars, do you know what I mean? Right, okay. Important things about a stem and leaf plot. Make sure your numbers are all in columns, okay? Because the shape of it is important, so you don't want to have one line, as in one line spread out and the second line all squashed up, right? Okay, you can't have it like that, okay? So make sure you do it on boxy paper, or make sure you put the numbers under each other, right? Okay, so these are the stems, right? The stem must count, okay? There can't be any gaps in the stem. So you can start anywhere, you can finish anywhere, but there can't be any gaps there. So I started here, I went north 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I can start 5, 6, 7, 8 if I want. Okay, what I can't do is if I start at 1, 2, 4, I must count, right? So it doesn't matter where you start or where you finish, but they must count. Okay, this is the stem. The leaves there are here, and then really important, girls, you give a key. So for the key, you pick any number off your list, right? Here I picked 3 line 4. 3 line 4 stands for 34. Why is it important to give a key? Because sometimes 3 line 4 might stand for 3.4. Okay, so it's important you explain to the people, right, okay, what it means. So 3 line 4 means 34. I could have picked anyone. I could pick 1 line 4 means 14. I could have picked 0 line 9 is equal to 9. So you have a choice of number there, any one at all. You only need the one, right? Okay, so you pick any number off your list and explain what it means. Okay, so when you're constructing a stem leaf plot, girls, always write your list in order first. If you write the numbers, write the list in order first, right, your stem leaf plot will end up being in order. If you don't, you'll end up doing your stem leaf plot out. Again, if you notice here, it starts with the smallest and it finishes with the biggest. So that's part of the conditions of a stem leaf. The smallest number is 7, the biggest number is 35, and everything's in order. So when you're constructing your stem leaf plot, if you write your list in order first, right, your stem leaf plot will automatically be in order, right? Okay, so when constructing a stem leaf plot, write the numbers in order first. And here's an example. So construct a stem leaf plot of, here's all these numbers here, right, okay, and then when you finish, write down what the mode is and what the median is, okay. So you can pause that there to take that down, right. I have written it in order first, okay, so I've already written it in order, okay. So I have numbers in their 20s, I have numbers in their 30s, I have numbers in their 40s, and numbers in their 50s. So I started at 2 and I finished at 5. So you can start and finish anywhere, right, as long as this counts. So you 2, 3, 4, 5. You couldn't have 2, 3, 5. It has to be 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so then make sure you keep your numbers under each other. So I have a 5, a 6, an 8, an 8, a 9, and a 9 for my 20s. I have a 32, then I have 2 33s, I have 3 35s, I have a 39, now I'm onto my 40s, so I have a 41, a 47, a 48. Then my 50s, I have 2 50s, I have a 52, a 55, and a 56. Okay, it's really important that you do a key, right? So a key is you pick any number off the list, okay? So any number at all. So I'll pick 4, line 7, and I'll say that means 47. As I say, sometimes it might mean 4.7, so this key is really important, okay? Then they ask me to calculate, to say what the mode is and what the median is. Right, the mode is the number that appears most often in the list. So the number that appears most often in that list is 35. Okay, some people are tempted to say 5, but that's not 5, that's 35. Okay, then to get the median, now because you have the list written in order, right, okay, you could do it from the list, one at the front, one at the end, one at the front, one at the end, but I'm going to show you how to do it from the stem and leaf plot, just so you can get it from the stem leaf plot. So you cross one at the front, one at the end, front, 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 end, and there's your median. It's also 35. That's a coincidence. Okay, right. I think that's enough examples for stem leaf diagrams. Okay, so I'm just going to ask you to do a few to remind yourself how to do them, because you did them in first year, but just in case. So page 313 to 314, 1 to 5. Okay.